Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 running shoes in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading running shoes that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Brooks Men's Adrenaline GTS 22 Supportive Running Shoe. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or just love a good jog around the block, this shoe promises a smooth ride and top-notch support. The Adrenaline GTS 22 is like a cozy hug for your feet. It's a certified DAC A5500 diabetic shoe, and the APMA seal of acceptance backs it up. Plus, it's designed for all-day comfort, so you won't miss a beat during your runs. Overpronators, rejoice! The Adrenaline provides just the right amount of stability. Say goodbye to wobbly ankles and hello to confident strides. It's perfect for road running, cross-training, or even gym sessions. The midsole got an upgrade, it's now 100% DNA loft cushioning. Translation: plush landings and smoother transitions. The segmented crash pad adds extra oomph, making each step feel like a cloud. No bulk here. The 3D Fit Print Upper Tech ensures a sleek fit without sacrificing support. It's like a custom-made shoe that hugs your foot just right. Forget just feet, let's talk knees. The guide rail system keeps excess movement in check, protecting those precious joints. Your knees will thank you after those long runs. In conclusion, in a nutshell, the Brooks Adrenaline GTS 22 is a reliable companion for your running adventures. So, lace them up, hit the trails, and let the good times roll. Number 4. The world of ASICS Men's Gel Venture 8 Running Shoes. These kicks promise comfort, durability, and great value. Let's lace up and explore. The Gel Venture 8 is a standout value pick, priced at just $70. Whether you're strolling through the park or sprinting downhill, these shoes have your back. Say goodbye to sweaty feet. The breathable upper keeps things cool, even during intense workouts. No more soggy socks, hooray! Those re-engineered outsole lugs mean serious business. Tackling off-road trails? No problem. Grip and traction are on point. ASICS trimmed down the overlays around the forefoot. The result? A lighter feel without sacrificing durability. Your toes will thank you. The textile lining cradles your feet like a cozy hug. It's like walking on clouds. In conclusion, the ASICS Gel Venture 8 is a steal. Whether you're a seasoned trail runner or just love a good walk, these shoes won't let you down. Number 3. The New Balance Men's Fresh Foam Roav V1 Classic Sneaker. These kicks redefine casual athletic style. With their bold, eye-catching design and plush comfort, the Fresh Foam Roav V1 is a league of its own. Imagine running or walking on fluffy clouds. The Fresh Foam midsole, one of 3 proprietary technologies, delivers an ultra-cushioned, lightweight ride. Say goodbye to sore feet. Level up your game without wearing out your favorite sneakers. The Endurance Rubber Outsole Tech ensures superior durability in high-wear areas. More miles, less wear and tear. Prepare for a head-turning heel that's not just for show. The Ultra Heel design hugs your foot, providing a snug, supportive fit. It's like a cozy embrace for your feet all day long. These lightweight shoes feature an approximate 8 mm heel-to-toe drop. Keep in mind that due to development and manufacturing variations, it's an estimate, but hey, close enough. In conclusion, so there you have it, folks. The New Balance Fresh Foam Roav V1, style, comfort, and durability all wrapped up in one fantastic sneaker. Number 2. The Saucony Women's Cohesion 15 running shoe. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or just starting your fitness journey, this shoe promises to be your trusty companion. The Versarin cushioning in these shoes is like a cozy hug for your feet. It absorbs impact, making each stride feel like a cloud. Say goodbye to soreness. Inspired by Saucony's reliable styles, the rubber outsole delivers a smooth ride that can handle countless miles and no need to worry about wear and tear here. The mesh upper keeps things breezy. Your feet will thank you during those hot summer runs. Plus, it's so lightweight that you'll forget you're even wearing shoes. Good news for eco-conscious runners. These kicks are vegan and feature recycled materials in the upper. Feel good about your strides and the planet. In conclusion, lace up, hit the pavement, and let the Saucony Cohesion 15 take you on a comfortable, durable, and sustainable running journey. Happy trails. Number 1. The Under Armour Men's Charged Assert 9 Running Shoe. Under Armour lives and breathes innovation. Their mission? To elevate athletes' performance through passion and cutting-edge design. Let's see how the Charged Assert 9 lives up to that promise. Did you know it all began with a t-shirt? Yep, Under Armour started by revolutionizing athletic apparel. Now they're bringing that same drive to their running shoes. Impressive, right? Brace yourselves for some tech wizardry. Under Armour's shoe lineup covers all bases. When it's scorching, slip into heat gear. When it's frosty, cold gear has your back. And for those in-between days? All-season gear steps in. The Charged Assert 9 isn't just about style, it's a performance powerhouse. Responsive cushioning, breathable mesh, and a durable outsole make it a top pick for runners of all levels. Who says you can't look good while breaking a sweat? These kicks blend function with style effortlessly. Whether you're hitting the track or the treadmill, you'll turn heads. In conclusion, so there you have it, folks. Under Armour's Charged Assert 9 running shoe, where comfort meets performance. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.